Welcome, fellow artists. Today, we're diving into 10 hacks that will help you draw anything on paper like a pro. Get ready to level up your drawing skills with these handy tricks. Hack 1. Gesture drawing. Start with gesture drawing to capture the essence of your subject. Use swift, expressive strokes to outline the basic shapes and movements. Gesture drawing helps you grasp the form and flow before diving into details. Hack 2. Breaking down shapes. Break down your subject into basic shapes like circles, squares, and triangles. This simplification helps in constructing the overall structure accurately. Combine these shapes as a framework to build upon for more detailed drawing. Hack 3. Light and shadow play. Master light and shadow to add depth and realism. Identify your light source and visualize how it interacts with your subject. Shading techniques like hatching, cross-hatching, and stippling can bring your drawings to life. Hack 4. Negative space observation. Pay attention to negative space, the areas surrounding your subject. Sometimes, drawing what's not there helps in defining the actual form. Utilize negative space to refine proportions and improve accuracy in your artwork. Hack 5. Perspective techniques. Understand perspective for creating depth and dimension in your drawings. Experiment with 1-point, 2-point, or even 3-point perspective. Perspective techniques add realism and create a sense of space in your drawings. Hack 6. Texture imitation. Emulate textures by varying your pencil pressure and stroke direction. Use different drawing tools to mimic various surfaces like wood, fabric, or metal. Textures add richness and interest to your drawings, making them more captivating. Hack 7. Continuous practice. Practice regularly to hone your drawing skills. The more you draw, the better you become at understanding shapes, proportions, and techniques. Continuous practice strengthens your artistic muscles and boosts your confidence. Hack 8. Reference utilization. Utilize references to study and understand your subject better. Observing real-life objects, photographs, or other artwork can provide valuable insights. References serve as guides and inspiration for creating more realistic and detailed drawings. Hack 9. Experiment with different media. Explore different drawing tools and mediums. Experiment with pencils, pens, charcoal, pastels, or digital tools to discover your preferences and expand your artistic range. Each medium offers distinct qualities, allowing you to explore diverse styles and effects in your artwork. Hack 10. Embrace creativity and imagination. Lastly, embrace your creativity and let your imagination flow. Don't be afraid to experiment. Explore new ideas and add your unique touch to your artwork. Your creativity fuels innovation and sets your drawings apart with personal flair. There you have it. 10 hacks to elevate your drawing skills. Remember, practice, observation, and creativity are your best tools. Keep drawing, keep creating, and let your imagination soar. Until next time, happy drawing!